Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. A lot going on in the markets this morning. Oh yes, plenty of things going on. A lot of scare tactics. We've got fear of the debt ceiling. We've got Procter and Gamble analysts lowering the defensives due to inflation and so on and so forth. This is very behind the times, though. Inflation in the UK came down today. A big drop today in fuel prices. We've got the war that will end this year. We've got a lot of overreactions today. And we've got to be very, very careful of that. I'm taking advantage of these overreactions. Always look for the overreactions, and they're everywhere today. So you can take advantage of it, and I've been doing it all morning. So let's get ready. Let's get into the trades. Here's your live positions. Look below for all the links if you want to win our cash prize. We're giving away $100 in cash. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. It's free to enter, free for all. Every day we give you extra tickets to win. So those who really want to win can win. You only need one ticket, just like a lottery. Get yourself one ticket just by going to the website at martynlucas.com/giveaway. That's coming up. We are red this morning, but I've been buying the dips. I bought Procter and Gamble. I've bought Tesla. I have bought Virgin Galactic. So let's look at it. And we've got a big day coming up, of course, tomorrow on the show. All right, here we go. Let's get into the seat. Apologise for being late a couple of minutes. I had extra amount of comments to reply to this morning, particularly the crazy people on Lucid and Mullen. Anyway, I've replied to all of those comments, and I do my very best every day. I focus on the members, and if I get time, I will go on to the non-members, but that's becoming increasingly more difficult and won't be able to do it much longer. Okay. Here we go. The overall portfolio is down very, very slightly. Let me check my overall positions and see what orders have gone to this morning. There we go. We're down very slightly, but hardly at all. My portfolio is strong despite what's going on. The Roth IRA has dropped $65. If we looked at the all-time there, we're $234. That's because of Tesla dropped and defensive have dropped this morning, and gold is up though, by the way. That tells you all you need to know. So we're just off. We're about $600 off an all-time high. That's not concerning to me at all. And let's have a quick look down on my trading account. What is moving? J&J, one of my defensives, is up today. Coca-Cola is down slightly. You can see Tesla took a dip, and I bought 2 more shares right here. Just bought 2 more shares. As we get to 190, I'll trim those off and take sort of $15-16 profit along the way. Okay, Virgin Galactic, it sold off from last night. I've started buying back in again. We've got one day, of course, to go. McDonald's is down 2.74 now. You can see that overall. What else have we got today on sale? We've got Robinhood has dropped a bit. I'm not selling anything there. I'll just add if it goes down. Gold is up. That tells you where safe money is going. Next to Era Energy, we've got solar down at the moment, taking a bit of a hammering. Tilray popped up a little bit. That's good. And yeah, that's about it, really. That's all we need to know. Here's Procter and Gamble. So this has started going down. This is going down because an analyst has overreacted, and they always do this. Remember, analysts aren't always what they seem. They may have their own agenda. So we can see... Sensei, no, you did not miss TikTok this morning. I couldn't do it as I was answering questions on YouTube. I had lots of questions to answer on YouTube. So anyway, so you know you didn't miss it this morning. You were in the right place, I assume. All right, okay. Going down, we're looking for some options. Let's have a look at the comments. Bring all the comments on the screen. Who have we got this morning? Who is here first? Who wins the prize? Malk UK, Steve, Mike. Remember, we're looking for the fan of the year again, like last year. We did it, and Mike got a prize. Those of you that like the most, share the most, hear the most. We're looking for the most engaged member of the family. Last year, it was Mike. He won the best trophy. and you can win by being engaging. All right, morning, guys. I am going to buy in General Motors and McDonald's. McDonald's is looking good. It's very expensive, but it's just being oversold right now. Even though it's expensive. So it's a kind of 50-50 that. Ed Nevius, good morning. Mike, good morning. Malk, good morning. Mike says, good morning, Mohammed. Stephen Lewandowski was calling in this morning from McDonald's, adding to the share price. Mohammed, good morning, Mike. You are excused, Martyn. Thank you. I was just answering your questions, actually. Including yours, Malk, I believe. Ed Nevius, Ed. Oh, Ed. I was thinking, hang on. How are you guys? Did I miss TikTok again? No, you didn't today. I couldn't do it because of questions. George Otterty. Now, folks, we've got a Virgin Galactic special like no other tomorrow. If you're ever wondering where to watch Virgin Galactic, you need to be here tomorrow, because wherever you watch it, you'll either get the flight, you'll either get the stocks, you'll either get the rubbish from Wolf of Dubai, you'll either get this, you'll either get that. With me, you're going to get everything all day. All right? No one could humanly work harder than I am preparing tomorrow. We have got a very special tomorrow in honor of my members. There'll be members benefits. There'll be lots of public stuff because everybody wants to watch it. But there will be a nod to my members, as always. They are the ones that pay for the live shows, okay? Now, we do have, I don't think he's here just yet, we have a special request for tonight. Tonight, after hours, get yourself a ticket. It's special requested. He's not here yet. I forget his name. He'll be in. As soon as I see his name, I'll know. If you want to be the first, remember, we are looking for the family member of the year, the winner of Your Best Trophy. Again, last year, Mike won a mug, if you remember. This is tonight's show. After hours, there it is. If you want to be there, make sure you have got your ticket. I'm going to give it to everybody now on Rumble as well. And those that are watching me on LinkedIn and TikTok, not TikTok, sorry, I can't share links there, but over on Rumble and Twitter. There you go. There's tonight's show. What was that? You have... How can I possibly post too many? You have sent too many messages too fast. How the heck can I send too many messages to my own channel? That's hilarious. I've just got a warning from Rumble. You have sent too many messages to your own channel. How the heck is that possible, Chris Pavlovsky? You need to sort that out. It's my channel. How on earth is that possible? Anyway, that's what just happened on Rumble some moments ago. I couldn't post... Okay, that's obviously a glitch. That'll sort itself out, won't it? We hope so anyway. Anyway, so make sure... Who's first? Mike's already there. If you got your ticket, that's Rumble. I couldn't post. I couldn't post in my own channel. How good is that? How about that? Rumble this morning. Good morning to you. All right, there is the earnings. We've got people now already booking their tickets. Okay. All right. Okie dokie. Let's get ready to rumble. The S&P is down slightly, still up 5.95. Virgin Galactic just dropped this morning. I bought 121 shares. I will buy a few more when I'm ready. Procter & Gamble, we bought in there. The order hasn't gone through yet, actually. I set an order for 147.06. It's gone up slightly since then. Doesn't mean to say it hasn't gone through. Sometimes it will go through a little bit later. So leave that there until like 15 minutes into the open at least. All right, Mullen today. We've got more news on Mullen, if those of you are interested, coming up soon. You're on fire, Martyn. You crashed Rumble. It looks like it, doesn't it? Let me see if I can write to Eric. Because, there we go. I was able to write to Eric. Here on Rumble, I was able to write on Rumble. There you go. Working too hard, going too fast. That's always my issue. I'm always getting in trouble for stuff like that. You're always going too fast. You're always doing too much. Apparently, anyway, if you're over there on TikTok, Rumble, smash the follow button. We're giving away $100. So if you want to be in our free prize draw, hey, who's number one to become number 5 member of the team? Just got the top one gifter. Hey, thank you very much indeed. Thank you so much for the support on TikTok. I really appreciate that. That really, really helps. I've got 4 subscribers. Click the little star button there and you'll get tagged in my viral posts if you want to grow on TikTok. I've got 33,000 followers and I will share them with you. No worries. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Are you a Luca badge owner? No, you're one of my moderators. It just says you are. It doesn't say your name though. But anyway, thank you very much indeed. You need to get yourself a Luca badge. Click the little star up here, and then I will. If you want to grow on TikTok, and maybe you don't, maybe you're not bothered. But if you do, if you click the star, become a subscriber, I'll tag you in my posts, and hopefully it will make you grow. It's done it for others. Right, let's go back to it a minute. We're seeing a bit of a drop here on Mullen. No surprise there. I'm not buying any more though. Company is being destroyed by the CEO. We'll share the information later. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Bill. Lovely to see Bill here with his trendy hat on. He's probably got that from James Bond. He normally does. I'm not joking, by the way. I'm being quite serious. Virgin Galactic. Gold. P&G just dropped. We're trying to buy some. So we're waiting to see what happens now. And Tesla, I just bought this morning's dip. We shall see what happens there. A lot of shares been bought up or allocated to the CEO, the manager in China. I was reading that news this morning. Only good for the stock. Anyway, let's have a look at it. My one position on... I don't know why I even have that. My Roth IRA. We're up 5.71 overall. But I bought 2 this morning at 182, where we are right now. So we'll see if we can get that up to 190 and sell those 2. Remember, all the stocks are now in profit, so I can sell anyone, and I really am making profit overall. And if we can just keep making profits every day on Tesla, then we are in a good position. All right. Morning, Bill and George. Good morning from Stephen Lewandowski. Right, let's have a look. McDonald's is up today, 0.1. It had a bit of a trim off. It very rarely does that. This is very unusual for McDonald's. You see it there, look. Had a little bit of a trim off. When it dips, it doesn't dip for very long. The swing between here, +7, there you go. There's a 6% swing there. And that's quite a dramatic swing. And you see that? That's about as much as you get. And we've had a nice little swing. It's not a bad time to buy a McDonald's right now. You might fancy that. It's very expensive. It's overvalued, but you can't overvalue land, can you? It just keeps on going up. Martin, is Nvidia a buy before earnings? Let me come into that a second. I'm just looking at McDonald's a minute, thinking if I should just buy one. My average is. Oh no, beg your pardon. I'm up on it, aren't I? My average is 259. I've got one. I was thinking I could lower my average. No, I can't. Can I? My average is 259. It's 286 right now. I'm up 10%, but I do want to add to it now. Even though that is up on my average is 259. Thank you, Paul Holt. Really appreciate those of you on YouTube and Rumble that actually just like it on Facebook. You don't have to watch it on Facebook. In fact, I don't want you to watch it on Facebook. I want you to be here on YouTube or Rumble. That's where I'm monetized. It doesn't make any difference anyone watching on Facebook. It's not as good as experience and much lower resolution and all the rest of it. but it does help me grow just by you taking a moment to like the stream on Facebook. It helps massively. So thank you for doing that. Anyone who does that, I appreciate it. And it all gets noted for the fan of the year as well. So if you want to win that prize, we notice all these things. So McDonald's has dipped a bit. It's still very expensive. We were at 14, 15% a few days ago. We're at 10 now. So if you want to buy a McDonald's, it's not wrong to do it. It's not wrong. It's this is how it dips, and when it can only improve. Oh, Leah Lucas from my office has just liked the stream as well. Thank you, Leah, from the other part of the house in the East Wing. Like to call it the East Wing. Makes you think I live in a castle, right? It's just the back bedroom, right? But I call it the East. I'm in the West Wing. The West just sounds good. No reason. Anyway, I kind of like it, even though you're buying up. It's a good dividend. It's a good solid investment. It's just one to buy and hold. You're getting it anyway with the S&P, so you could argue I'm buying it anyway, so why bother? But it's one to hold. I mean, if I buy this, I don't buy it in my Roth. I buy it in my main account, especially if I've got money. And I've got nearly $4,000. So this is one to buy when it drops. And 2.77 isn't the biggest drop, but it's half of its average big drops. If that makes sense, 6%. There's over a year. Look, see, these are 6%. In fact, let's look at this. Let's look at COVID. COVID was 34. See, 34. That's a 40% drop. That's a very different story. But typically, 6-7%. Look at it there, 54, 40. There's 14 there. 60, 14 there. So it's had a bit of a drop. It could go a bit lower, but I doubt it. And even if it does, 6 months from now, you're going to make money on it. So the fair value for McDonald's, we need to just alert you to that, is 260. You are overpaying, but it's like buying a house. You buy a house because that's what you're buying. You're buying land. You're buying a house. You're paying a lot of money for it. Land's gone up right now, but then in a year from now, 2 years, 5 years, you're going to be up, right? You're not going to lose on it. You got the dividends. You've got the stability. It's always a good one to buy. I'm looking at whether I want to take a slice of it. I do want to build up my McDonald's to $1,000. I would like to get one, on my main brokerage account. I think I might buy one. I've been eyeing it up for ages, thinking I want that on my account. So I'm going to buy one. I'm going to buy it on my main brokerage account though. A limit order. A limit order of 286. In fact, I'm just going to call it where it is right now. I'm going to buy two. I'm going to buy two. Actually, good for the day. Good for the day. Allow this to execute in the after hours. I'm going to buy two, even though I'm up 10%. I'm going to buy two. Because as we come out of inflation and as we come out of the war, this is just going to go up again. And I'm going to buy a couple. That'll bring me up to nearly the $1,000 I want to be. So I'll feel comfortable with that. So, yeah, on my main account. I might get a security check right now. I do every time. Oh, it went through. Finally. Okay, there we go. We'll see what happens. Oh, it went through. It went through 286.65. Right. Didn't think it would go through. Nice. So I'm up 3.5% on it. It's 2.5% of my portfolio. It's about right. It's solid. I like it. I'll just leave that now. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm just going to leave it. If it dips, another 5%, I'll buy another couple. But that's really it, and we'll leave it like that. Anyway, there we go. That's gone through. Thank you very much indeed. Your order to buy 2 McDonald's has gone through. Good. Right. Let's have a look back at our main position. Let's bring in some comments here. McDonald's is hilariously overvalued. You say that. How do you overvalue land? How? It becomes more and more rare, more and more scarce, more and more valuable. As inflation goes up, as costs go up, land always goes up. So you're never going to lose on land. REITs, however you want to pronounce it, which is basically what I see in McDonald's is with the extra benefit. That's what it is. And it's you can never overpay for land because it'll always be up in the future. Don't buy. I'm not buying it to trade it. I'm buying it just to own it and leave it 5-10 years. Okay. Let's have a look. Hi troops. Have I missed any Virgin Orbit chat? Virgin Orbit chat. We put on a Virgin Orbit video last night. Virgin Galactic. It all kicks off later on tonight, tomorrow. Good morning, Leah. Hi, Leah. Hi, Keaton. Steve, McDonald's is hilariously overpriced. Well, you're always talking about margin, so I'm not sure I can take your advice on that. Anyway, Shan, buy Wendy's. Wendy's is good. It's a favourite, and is it Dairy King, Dairy Queen? Favourite of Warren Buffett's. Good morning, Octavio. Hi all. Hassan. 007. There it is. The 007 hat is the Trilby from J. Lock Hatter, the oldest hatter in the world. I got it via Sean Connery. When I emailed home where his hat came from, he sent me one from Dr. No. He had 10 War 4. Look at that. How cool is that? This is from Bill. He's a famous hat wearer. I'm going to buy some shares of UMI. It's cheap today. Hassan Al, good luck to you. Morning inbound, Shan, Octavio, and Hassan. There you go. Right. Let's go over to my position here. Let's have a little look. Main account is down slightly. I've just bought a little bit of McDonald's today. And our crypto, that's what our crypto doing. Down a little bit, but we're still up on our Matic. Still up on our Ethereum. Now, these numbers here, you look at that and go, we hasn't got very much. It's all on my wallets, all on my ledgers. This is just my trading, and I see my averages. And I'm always taking account of what these averages are. So when I buy, I'm always buying lower. I never buy, with crypto, I never buy when it goes up. I always buy lower and lower prices because there always are. There always is. And then if it never goes lower, I don't buy it again because I've already amassed up what I want to reach my goals in the future. I'm already there. I've got enough Bitcoin, I've got enough XRP, and I've got enough Matic to be able to pay for my gas fees, my NFTs, probably forever. To pay for my gas fees forever. I've got enough. It's only like 1 cent a trade, and I've got $200 worth of Matic. So I only ever buy it when it goes down to lower my averages, and so on and so forth. Anyway, that's that taken care of. My orders have gone through. The Roth IRA, let me just check that again. My orders, yeah, they've gone through. Roth IRA is down very slightly this morning, and we're just under, but that's all right. Opportunity to buy it this morning. Their land is shopping centres and undesirable locations where only half retailers could be built. Spoiler alert. Besides, grocery and food in 10-year physical locations will be few. I'm not sure I agree that McDonald's is shopping centres. McDonald's is down the highways. It's never. No, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. Having someone who eats too many McDonald's, they are not always in shopping centres at all. Of course they are, but they're not just in shopping centres. I think you're missing the point there. Anyway, you buy, you pays your money, you takes your choice, all right? Chinese EVs down a lot, pre-market Neo. Wouldn't touch Chinese EVs. I've said over and over again why. Prefer Tesla every time. Anyway, the S&P is going down slightly. Virgin Galactic, we bought this morning, and we are at a wash at the moment. We bought this morning, and we are at a wash. Okay. 489. Said it could drop to 3. No one listened. No, people, well, you listened to me, but others didn't. They said, no, just keep going up. Well, it didn't, did it? Sold off. And I said it would. Now it's below 5 again. No surprise there. Great timing, by the way. Great timing. Virgin Orbit literally closing up shop the night before Virgin Galactic flight. Remember what I said about manipulation to drive the stock down? Remember what I said about insiders? Richard Branson, he's the only one who made any money out of Virgin Orbit. Just before Virgin Galactic flies, it goes through that it was sold for scrap. He got his money out. You don't think it can happen again? Of course it can. Just be aware. Not only can it happen again, it's more than likely will happen again. Anyway, you pay your money, you take your choice. I've used that twice now, I don't know why. Land for homes is where the value is, I guess. What I'm saying, retail land will only get more complex. No, I get what you're saying. I made a prediction years ago, and I was wrong. I said people would stop shopping in person and just go online. I thought Amazon was just, that's all we'd ever do, because that's all I ever do. And I was surprised when people went back to the mall. I thought retail shops would die. I really did. Well, I was wrong. And even though retail has suffered and the high street has suffered, it just gets reinvented and comes back in a different way. It seems people do like to still get together and go out. They're not like me. I'm just a miserable sod. I don't meet anyone. I've just got Leah. All I need is Leah. There it is. But no, apparently I was wrong on that. So I think the malls and these places will exist. If they were going to be destroyed by online shopping, it would have been done by now. Because we've had online shopping for a generation now. Plenty of people have experienced it, used it, and it hasn't gone anywhere. So it's changed, and you have to reform, and they have to be better, but yet they're still here. So I think you're good with your McDonald's down your local mall. I don't see it going away. Why? Because 1, it's land, and 2, people always want to meet up and have something to eat. Guarantee 100%. You're always going to want to meet up and buy a burger. No question. Chinese EVs down a lot. Pre-market, Shan L. Yeah. Did you buy Virgin Galactic? Good for you. Yes, I did. Waiting to buy more if it goes below. There is no news for space. Very strange. Yep. The only news you're going to get before Virgin Galactic flies is with me. Now, tomorrow, I am planning a very technically challenging day for myself, extremely hard work, but I'm going to be live all day, Virgin Galactic special with live phone-ins, special guests, live radar, all on the screen at the same time, live prices, Twitter feeds all coming in. It's very technically challenging for me, but Virgin Orbit were rubbish at marketing. Virgin Galactic are rubbish at marketing. Every other YouTuber who covers it is mainly just trying to promote rubbish. So I am trying to bring you the very best of all the angles of the stock and the event tomorrow. And we're not just going to cover it when it flies. We're going to cover it all flipping day. If it goes live 12 hours, it goes live. I might take breaks in between, but there'll be information on the screen. Always, everything that's going to happen tomorrow for Virgin Galactic is going to happen on my channel. Walmart is closing a lot of stores as well. L-Y, thank you for that. McDonald's is a land juggernaut, I do agree, and that is where the value comes from, no doubt. I personally think McDonald's is the brand I give the most money to. Let's have a look at it right now. Virgin Galactic is going back down. Procter & Gamble. I tried to buy 2 this morning on this dip. I put an order in for 147.06. It hasn't gone through yet. If on the bell it hasn't gone through, 10 minutes after I will delete it and I've got money to buy something else. Gold is up today. I've made myself 1%. So I've got source of funds if I need it. I can always sell gold if I want to. Rivian is going down. Let me check my Roth position. I'm out of it. Still got 15% to make up. Tesla, I bought the dip this morning. And every intention of taking that off the top when it goes to 190. Lucid, Apple. Let me just check who's with me on Rumble this morning. Hey, we got a good audience on Rumble. How are you? This is you. Welcome to all of you on Rumble. Thank you very much for being here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see how we rank on Rumble today. Let's scroll down and we should be on the finance page. Let's have a look here. The finance page is here and we are ranked at number 4 right now. It seems that Matt Kors, with his 46 million, thousand, trillion, gazillion followers, is ahead of me. Well, fair enough. I'll take it, but we're number 4. Watch out, Matt Kors. I'm chasing you. Going to be number 1 soon, mate. No one goes live more than me. No one's as mental as me. That's why. Let's go into Rumble. There we go. Let me check who's with me on YouTube this morning. 38 watching, 16 likes. Let's sort that out. We're covering the NVIDIA earnings today, a special requested event. I think it was T.O. Roll asked for it. So we're covering it especially for you. So if you could smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. We've got 31 watching. Let me zoom in. Big day, Virgin Galactic tomorrow. And I've got a guest from Korea just come in. Let's see if we can get the likes up. 16 there. Look, 16 likes. Can we get to 20 or 30? All you got to do is smash the like button if you want me to be live all day tomorrow with the Virgin Galactic special. It's the least you could do, right? Free entertainment. You're not paying for it. I make nothing at all from my live shows. They're all funded by the members and the super chats. I make nothing from live videos. So just like the video if you're watching. We're going to be live tomorrow all day for a Virgin Galactic special. All right. Mike is over there promoting our Twitch. Thank you. I'm glad you've not forgot about that. I appreciate it. Keep a tab open. Let's have a look. I'm going to see your head all day tomorrow. I'm going to see your head all day tomorrow. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Can't avoid it. McDonald's closed all stores in Russia. I'm bearish on McDonald's, to be honest. Of course they did. That wasn't nothing to do with money. That was politics. Of course they did. Of course they shut all stores in McDonald's in Russia. That wasn't a bad thing. That was a good thing. Good for them. Flipping right. They were taking money out of Russia. Of course. That wasn't a bad thing. I bought McDonald's this morning. See breakfast bar. I ate my profits. I saw that. Malk Webb, thank you for liking the stream on Facebook. We appreciate it. 25 minutes ago, Korea is launching space rocket tomorrow. Hope it boots up Virgin price. Let me welcome Korea. Let me welcome our guests from Korea today. We do have a big Korean contingent on our channel, and we want to welcome our Korean guest this morning. So let me do that right now. Here we go. This is especially for our Korean guests this morning. Here we go. Welcome our guests from Korea. Tomorrow we are live all day with Space, Virgin Galactic. Good luck with your launch today. We are here with you all day today and tomorrow. Welcome guests from around the world and Korea.
내일 한국에서 온 손님을 환영합니다. 우리는 우주 버진 갤럭틱과 함께 하루 종일 생중계합니다. 오늘 발사와 함께 행운을 빕니다. 우리는 오늘과 내일 하루 종일 여러분과 함께 있습니다. 전 세계와 경력에서 추측을 환영합니다.
Okay, there we go. Our guests on Korea. If you are from whatever country you are from, what's your native language? Let me know and I will share it on the screen. Greg Bennington has liked my stream on Facebook. I tell you what, we are really growing on Facebook now. Faster and faster every day. We're making reels there now. It's really good. It just shows you consistency of quality broadcast. Hopefully that's what I provide. will win as long as you give the people what they want and you do it consistently and you do it better and more than anyone else. It's Mike Flynn. Look at that. Facebook is exploding today. Mr. Zuckerberg's going, hang on a minute, who's this guy who's suddenly on Facebook every day? I've always been there, but just no one's noticed. All of a sudden, everyone's noticing. And it's making a big difference. Tesla. So, what are we trying to do today? We bought some Tesla. We want to sell 2 shares of Tesla at 190 again. Make ourselves $20. Okay? We want to bring some money back out. We also want to buy, we also set an order to buy Procter & Gamble. And then analysts rated this down as a buy to a hold because of the economic climate. I think he's behind the times. We know that the economy is always 6 months behind the market. Thank you, Leah. How are you this morning? Little feature to the show every morning. Allergies bothering you this morning, aren't they, babe? Yeah, my wife's had allergies this morning. We've got allergies in the air. She doesn't like it. Don't bother me. My nose just doesn't work, so don't bother me. It's not because I'm amazing. My nose is broke. My wife's got a sensitive nose. My nose doesn't work. So you can bring all the allergies you want. Go, Martin, go. Mike Flynn. There you go. Look at that. Thank you very much indeed, Martin. I still can't see Ed Nevier's tips in Discord. Callie, you're right. Look at all these amazing likes on Facebook now. I know I can't fix it yet. I'm still trying. I have allergies bad as well, says Mike over on Twitch. Ali G's. Ali G's? What's all that about? Yeah, I'm working on it. I don't know why it's not working yet. I'm trying to find a solution. I will get it to work. Don't you worry about that. It's just not the top of my priority at the moment. I have so many things to do. Is MWG the next GameStop? Mysterious M, I've no idea. I wouldn't even look at it. If you want to become a member, I will review it for you, but I can't give that any of my time right now. We're focusing on other things. Unless you become a member, of course, then I prioritize you. But anyway, we are still running our poll on Virgin Galactic. Stephen Lewandowski, look at that this morning. Facebook has gone absolutely bonkers this morning. Now then, for those of you who don't know, if you don't know this, I'm going to share with you now. I'm now providing a free service to my audience for what I do before I do it. Who wants to know what stocks I buy and sell before I buy and sell them? So I do what I do is I put them on Twitter. There you go. This morning I bought P&G, I bought Tesla and Virgin Galactic. This happens at 6 a.m. in the morning, sometimes 5 a.m. in the morning. And if I do it at midnight, it'll be midnight. And of course, soon I'm going to have 24/7 trading. So if you want to know why I'm buying something, when I'm buying it, before I buy it, before the market is affected by it, because I can influence the market because I'm amazing, right? Then you need to be following me on Twitter. There it is. There's my position this morning. So if you follow me and ring the bell on Twitter, because don't forget you can do that. When you follow someone, you can set to be notified. And then you don't miss it. Because what's the point of finding out 2 hours later I bought Virgin Galactic after it popped up? That's no good. You want this information while you're sat on the toilet. You'll get information going, oh, Martyn Lucas is buying Virgin Galactic. Let me go and check it out. Oh, yeah, Virgin Galactic's got some volume. I'm going to buy it as well. See what I'm saying? Anyway, we've got a poll running right now, and that is, let me scroll down a little bit. Our Mullen, our Galactic. Did you see that video last night about all the manipulation? Virgin Orbit on the night just before the flight, we get the collapse of Virgin Orbit. No surprise there, right? I'm telling everybody. Anyway, there you go. This is the poll running right now. 67 votes. Remember how yesterday I criticised all the investors of Virgin Galactic for being lazy? Well, I continue to do so. 67 votes and just 13 retweets. That just shows you the temperament of people. People want to make money, but they're lazy. And there it is. Only 13. If you haven't voted on this yet, don't be one of the lazy people. If you really want your stock to go up, then I'm giving you the opportunity, because Virgin Galactic ain't doing it. They're not promoting the stock. There it is. All you got to do is share the news that 76% of people think it's going to go up. Easy. So I'm going to share that. In fact, I'm going to do something new this morning. I'm going to put that on Rumble. But I'm also going to tip my hat. I'm going to tip my hat this morning to our dear friends on Facebook. It does seem now that Facebook is becoming something of some use. Up to this point, it really wasn't. Here is the poll for you guys. So if you're on Facebook right now, in fact, I'll open that up. I'll open it up. This is Facebook right now, guys. There you go. And I've just given you the Twitter post. If you want to vote on Twitter, as well on Facebook, I'm going to give you the thing. I don't recommend anyone watch me don't watch me on Facebook. Don't watch me on Facebook. No, don't. If you watch me on Facebook, it helps if you want to open it additionally, but I don't earn any money if you watch me on Facebook. Look, I like my own stream. Oh God, that earned some points right there, doesn't it? Anyway, I retweeted. Good, Mike. I knew you would. I knew you would. Hey, Mambo, Italiano. I know where you're going with that. I know where you're going. Tesla taking a bit of a drop. I'll buy some more if it goes down. I'll keep doing it. Rivian, Gold, Mullen, Procter and Gamble. 15 minutes to go. Here we go. Let's bring up the timer. Let's go. Is this a 20-minute? Oh yeah, it's a 20-minute. I can't bring it. It's, yes, I can. I can do it quick. Watch me do this quick. How quick can I do this? 15. Save. There you go. Yeah, about 3 seconds out. In fact, that's not bad. In fact, I'm about 1 second out. I'm okay. I edited it on the screen. That was a bit tight. Anyway, I did it. Okay. We are red today. We are reflecting that with the setup of the studio. It is red at the moment, but we're not concerned. We are buying dips wherever we can. Mullen, more information coming. Gold, Rivian, Tesla. Let's see our Roth. We bought some Tesla. To trade, not to own. To take a couple off the top. Getting a bit of a down market today. It's not Friday. It's not sell-off Friday. That will come on. Guess Friday, but we're not there yet. Anyway, I cannot believe we've had 8 likes on Facebook. It's great. I never get anyone like me on Facebook. I love it. It's very exciting. Very exciting. Anyway, welcome everybody. Midnight. Stephen, Malk UK, Eric B on Rumble as well. You guys are the best. And brilliant. Now then. I'm going to have to do some work today. I'm going to have to really, really do some work today. Let me do this. I've got a lot of work to do for tomorrow. Okay, here we go. So we are at, the time is now 43 minutes. Here we go. Let's start making some videos here. 43 SPCE Twitter. Okay, let's bring it in. It's going to be a really, really, really difficult few days. But I'm attempting some really ridiculously insane stuff for tomorrow. I think I can, with my new computer, I can probably do it. All right. Of course I can do anything I want. With you behind me, I can do anything. All right, here we go. I'm going to have to get that timer off the screen if I'm going to run this. Yeah, timer. There's no need to, I'll get rid of that. I'll come back at 1 minute, okay? Virgin Galactic SPCE stock. Are you ready for the big day? We're going to be live all day. We're going to bring in all the information you need all in one place. We're going to bring in live interviews. Thank you very much for the subscription, Ratch and Nancy. I'm making a video during a live show. You can take part. You can call in. We've got special guests. We've got the live feed. We've got the radar. We've got interviews. We've got everything you need all in one place. Or you can visit 20 different sites and get it all over the place, or join me all day tomorrow for the biggest and best Virgin Galactic broadcast and information you're going to get anywhere in the world. That is my aim and my promise to you. Now then, it's no surprise last night, Virgin Orbit, the night before Virgin Galactic is going to take off, apparently, I've been telling you for the longest time that the stock could go all the way back down again, and it is. I said it, I keep saying it, and my audience listen to me, but the haters always disagree. Well, now you're being proved that I was right again. I'm joking. I get it wrong sometimes. I get it right sometimes, but I'm right about this. And I bought some more this morning. I'm back in again with my trading position, but you need to help yourselves. And most people who invest on Virgin Galactic and other stocks, particularly stocks that lose money, are lazy. And I invite you not to be in the lazy club. I am trying to help you make money. Here is a Virgin Galactic post on my Twitter account. It's optimistic. It's upbeat. It's talking about Virgin Galactic going up. 76% of you voted to say the stock price is going up. 68 votes. Only 13 of you could be bothered to retweet it. It's your post. It's your money. It's your stock. Look, this tells you that Virgin Galactic is expected to go up. And only 13 out of 68 of you could be bothered to share this post. Now, not only do you want to retweet this, click above my head somewhere around about there, and you'll find the link to that Twitter post. It's also below in the description. I'm also paying you to do it because I'm trying to promote my channel because I rank #1 for Virgin Galactic. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm paying you to promote your stock to make you money. I'll make money too, let's be honest, because I'm buying it as well. But you can do that. So make sure that you go and retweet this post. Virgin Galactic is not promoting the stock today. No one else is promoting the stock today. The Wolf of Dubai isn't promoting the stock. He's promoting his channel. Other people are promoting their channels. What I am trying to do is promote the stock, not because I'm pumping and dumping it, as others will tell you all the time. I'm holding my position. I'm not selling my long-term position until I trim at $30. It's going to 100 ultimately, not because it's worth it, because it'll trade to $100. I want to be clear with that. People keep saying, why are you saying it's going to 100 and then you dump it and da-di-da-di-da. They don't watch all my videos. They don't listen to all my content. This is my position, and I'm going to share it with you right now so you can see exactly on the screen what I'm talking about. So look here. Here is my Roth position. I keep getting in and out. I'm trying to make 20 grand by tomorrow. I'm way off. The stock has been nowhere near good enough on performance, so I've not made anywhere near. But we are making a few $100. We maybe touch 1,000 today, and then we could start doubling up maybe in the morning or tonight. We'll see. But so far, I'm nowhere near. Anyway, my brokerage position, I keep adding. In fact, I haven't added for a while because it hasn't gone down low enough yet. It will soon, though. I think it could hit 3 or even 2 today. Why do you think Virgin Orbit put the news out last night? Why do you think Richard Branson bought preferred stock? He got his money out of Virgin Orbit when you lost all your money. He didn't. He got out and he announced that, and it all went through, funnily enough, just before the flight of Virgin Galactic. Why is Virgin Galactic not promoting the stock? Why are they not talking about it? Because they don't know it's going to fly tomorrow. The window only opens tomorrow. So if you want to get your money out of Virgin Galactic, if you want to make a profit from Virgin Galactic, if you are tired of losing all your money to the billionaires, and you're thinking, hang on a minute, I believed in this stock, maybe Martyn's right. It does keep going down. What is going on? Maybe you need to promote this way. this this Twitter post. I'm doing the work for you. I'm going live all day tomorrow. Could be 12-hour stream, providing you the radar, the flights, interviews, guests, phone-ins, live charts, information, tweets, posts, you name it, live on my show. So get involved. Help yourselves. If you want to make money, don't just sit on your toilet, on Robinhood, on an app, just trying to get free money. Work for it. Do something. Click a button. Work really hard and go like that. And then this post gets retweeted. Why do I ask you to do that? Because if you share that and everyone sees the stock price going up, maybe, just maybe, they won't sell it. Richard Branson and others will. They'll dump it on you and it'll take it down to 2, more than likely. Am I saying that because I believe it? Yes, I believe it. I do believe it. However, I'm holding my position. I don't know, but I speak to Virgin Galactic all the time. That's the sentiment I get. And right now, they're not doing anything to help themselves. They're doing everything to bring the stock price down. They promoted it just enough for you to think it's going up. Hey, and then what happened? Went straight back down again. On the eve of the flights, we got the information that Virgin Galactic is now being sold for scrap. And someone said it's got nothing to do with Virgin Galactic. It's got everything to do with Virgin Galactic. The same investors, the same marketing people that brought down Virgin Orbit are in Virgin Galactic. The same people that pump it and dump it, exactly the same. However, it's up to you. If you want to win this time rather than consistently lose, I'm telling you how to do it. I'm telling you that the stocks is going down before it goes up. I'm telling you how to promote it. The rest is up to you. Do you want to lose some more money or do you want to make some money? I don't mind because either way, I'm good. I'm holding my position of an average of 4. That's where I got my main account. I'm holding it down there. I'm not going to lose any money. I'm going to pop it up in between and take some profits along the way. But have you lost money on Virgin Galactic? Personally, I'm down 20 grand on it from last year. But that's all changing now. And you have the power to change your destiny on Virgin Galactic. Join us all day tomorrow. It's going to be a big day. Click above my head and that will take you to our live videos. If you go over here right now, somewhere about there, that will take you to the live show all day tomorrow. Make sure you join us. Am I about right? You can't see it right now because I'm making this video. But later on, there'll be a little tag here taking you to the all-day live feed. We're going to be there with you. We're going to make some money. And we're going to get a little bit out of Richard Branson's pocket and put it safely back in yours. And a bit in mine too. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. For those of you that haven't voted on it yet, copy link to tweet. Here it is. I'll give it to you again. There. I'll give it to everybody on Rumble. There. And I shall give it to everybody on Facebook too, because now it seems we are king of Facebook as well. There you go. There's the tweet right there. On Facebooky. Zuckerberg. There you go. There's Facebook over there. Look, lovely jubbly. Make sure you like it. Make sure you like it. Get involved. Give it a likey. 3 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic. Let's hope Sir Richard owes us some of his pocket change. Yes. Right, 486. Hey Malk. Procter & Gamble. Mullen. Rivian. Tesla's still going down. Ooh, nice. 172. P&G. Want to buy any more there yet? That order hasn't gone through yet. If that order doesn't go through in the next couple of minutes, I can cancel it and buy Virgin Galactic on the way down. Anyway, I can take profits from left, right, and centre. I've got plenty of money to plenty of things that are up. I'm up at 16% on Apple. I've got loads of money to buy stuff. It ain't a problem. Amazon, McDonald's, holding up. Coca-Cola, J&J, Google. Tech being sold off. Okay. Oh, did I see P&G? Oh, no, SPC, wasn't it? Okay. Here we go. 2 minutes to go. I doubt it, Craig. He doesn't do it anymore. He doesn't do it anymore, so I doubt it. Quite honestly. Welcome everybody on Rumble. We got our record audience. We've broken our 20 this morning. We've got 25. A record audience on Rumble this morning. That's 25. Look at that. That's our best ever audience. Hello Rumble, how are you? Here we go. Getting ready to go now. Welcome. We are still ready here in the studio. Virgin Galactic's going up. We're going to make some money out of Virgin Galactic today. Mr. Branson, you've taken enough of my money. Mullen is a horror film where the monster is chasing the victim. I like that. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. Said a boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up. Yes? Let's get ready to rumble. Welcome all our guests on Rumble today. Thank you for joining me. 30 seconds to go. Welcome to all of you. Right, let's close down the clock. 20 seconds to go because today's show is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Virgin Galactic's going down. Tesla's trying to resist now. Let's have a little look. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sensei Crypto has sponsored our bell this morning. Thank you so much indeed. Virgin Galactic is going down quickly now. 481. I warned everybody. I said over and over again, are you ready to pick it up? Tesla's going down. Virgin Galactic is going down. On the night before we get the flights, Richard Branson decides the deal goes through. He stuffs everybody scrap metal for Virgin Orbit. And look at the price go right back down again. There it goes. All right, so it's time you should be out. You take your profits already, and it's now time to buy back. Now, how low is it going to go? Retail investors, which is us, they will get excited in a minute and start buying it. So you might want to start nudging it in a minute. But let's see how we can do it. We need to make some money. So what we want to do is go to our main account, the S&P. Virgin Galactic now 481. Could go down to $2 or $3. Virgin Procter & Gamble is now up. That order doesn't look like it's gone through. So I'm about to clear that order. Mullen is going down to probably 1 or 2 cents. Virgin Galactic now 477. Being sold off exactly like I said. Flipping out, I didn't want this to happen. But it's business, right? Richard Branson, the insiders, the people who work at Virgin Galactic do not care. They did enough to promote the stock to get you to know about the flight. No more. It popped up, and then the night before the flights, what happened? We had a Virgin Orbit basically sold for scrap. And it was all over the place. We all knew about that. So it drives the stock back down again so they can buy it all back at $2 or $3. I'm telling you, there you go. It's awful, but that's the way this market works. Right. Now then, so Procter & Gamble for 147. There's more money to be made for me at the moment, so I'm going, what did I place this order now? 147.06, 147.21, here it goes, 147. It's being oversold today. Down she goes, and 147.7. It's got to go through. Come on. There it is. I bought Procter & Gamble at 147.06. It's going back down because we've got an overreaction from an analyst. That is great news for me because the dividends is great. That will cover that cost. I bought it. Now then, I bought it. Very nice indeed. We could get an immediate pop-up today, and I could trim that back. So we'll keep our eye on that. Now, Tesla. Virgin Galactic is falling off a cliff, down 3.48. Steve Malundowski, buy a share of space like yesterday. Stephen Lewandowski, thank you very much indeed. I've got to take some profits from somewhere. Virgin Galactic now. Procter & Gamble, we've got an immediate profit return here. Mullen is going down to 1 or 2 cents. Gold, we've got some money out of gold today. Let me just wait and see. SPCE, where shall I get it from? Stephen Lewandowski.
Buy a share of SPCE like yesterday.
Thank you very much indeed, mate. I appreciate it. Procter & Gamble. Every super chat I get, I will buy Virgin Galactic right now. If anybody wants us to promote Virgin Galactic, if you want me to include it in the video, let me mark that time. Let me mark that time. For the next 2 minutes, I'm going to mark the time, and any super chat I get, I will buy Virgin Galactic, put it in a video, and you will be in the video. Okay, so if you want to be in my Virgin Galactic video in an hour or so when I release it, I'm going to put Virgin Galactic on the screen. Any super chat I get on the screen, make sure that you put a comment in. You can do it by crypto as well, which is martynlucas.com/tip. You can do it that way as well, and you can put a comment in. It's free. There's no gas fees. It's instant. It will also promote your favorite crypto as well. And the money I get on tips, whether it's super chats or the crypto tip, I will spend right now on Virgin Galactic. Right, let's have a look. I've already bought some. PG, there we go, down, gold. Let's take some funds from gold. Rivian, we're up. Tesla, we're going back up again. As soon as we get to 190, we'll sell it. Lucid, we're out. Apple, small trim there on my Roth. Have I got a position? No, not on my Roth. I haven't. Amazon on my Roth. Let's have a look. No, and McDonald's. There you go. McDonald's is just trimmed slightly. Coca-Cola on my Roth. No, I don't want to use that money. It makes no sense. Let's have a look. J&J taking a dip. We'll watch it today, though, says Ed Nevius. Google, Microsoft on my Roth. No, we're not touching it there. Walmart, no. Let's have a look. BTC Tilray still going down. We're buying it at 2 now. Robinhood, we haven't taken enough there yet. Virgin Galactic is still going down. 481. Let's have a quick look. 481. I want to use some funds from on my Roth. I haven't got anything there. 388. 388. I'm up on it. I can sell VU. Let me think. Yes, there's more money to be made there right now. So I'm going to sell that share of VU because we're up anyway on it, but it's going back down now. We're going to get a dip. So it's basically selling for a wash. Review the order. Sell that one. Yeah, before it goes down, take the profit. Okay, done. Okay, now go to Virgin Galactic and buy shares. We want to buy 100. How much we got? 100. We'll buy another 80 at this price. 384. Review order and buy. Damn it! It's too late. Buy shares 80. Not enough buying. What are you on about? Bloody hell, what are you on about? Stop messing around. 70 shares. 333. Done. Okay, 483. There we go. Now it's going up. Good. I didn't quite get the bottom. 81. It doesn't matter. Okay. Virgin Galactic now. 384. 484, beg your pardon. $4.79. We'll do a bit more in a minute. I'm here to make money. There we go. Excellent. So I will put Stephen Lewandowski's video tip into the video. Let me have a look. Invest Virgin or Van S&P. Right, it's going down. We'll buy that share back in a minute with the profit we make from Virgin Galactic, because it'll keep going down. It could go down to 3. It absolutely could, but I've got up to 10 grand to spend on Virgin Galactic if it does. Procter & Gamble. Mullen, it's going down to 2 or 3 cents. Gold, trimming back. Rivian, Tesla. Let's get ready to buy some more Tesla then. I'm here to make money, says the Queen of Self Trading. Good afternoon, Queen. Ed, I can't access your tips on Discord. It says I need a webhook access. Yes, I don't quite understand it yet. I'm trying to fix it. So don't worry about Ed's service at the minute. It's not working at the minute. Tesla, we're watching it. The breakfast bar, a special request. You want to see the breakfast bar in this morning. Look at all these guys this morning. Thank you to all of you. There is Mike, Eric. We've got Eric B here having a taco. Lovely stuff. Make sure you come into the breakfast bar in the morning on Discord. You see what's going on. You get information ahead of schedule. And it's a lot of fun for all our members as well. Going down. VU, S&P. We trimmed it. That's what we want. Virgin Galactic. Now all the way back down now to 2 or 3. Flipping manipulations. Unbelievable with this stock. It's becoming a meme stock now. It's getting trashed. It's getting absolutely trashed. I don't like saying I'm right. I don't want to say I'm right. I really don't. Because I learn nothing from being right. You learn everything from being wrong. Space. The show must go on. Let me put what time that was. Here we go. The time is 1 hour 6. When this comes up on the screen, I will put this in the video. Stefan Rude, give it a couple of seconds and you'll be in the video for the Virgin Galactic video shortly. We'll just hold there a second. It takes about 30 seconds to come through. This is the final dump that I was telling everybody about that would happen. If you just tuned in, please do subscribe to the channel or give me a thumbs up. Trying to help people. I go live 10 hours a day. Tomorrow is going to be 12, maybe 14 hours live, covering everything you need with Virgin Galactic. Live phone-ins, conversations, radar, prices, tweets, you name it, rumors, scandal, drama, all of it live on the show. And we'll get through all the rubbish and make sure...
SPC, the show must go on. Smiley face.
Thank you very much, Stefan Rude. We'll put that in the video shortly. Brilliant. Anyone who wants to do a super chat for the Virgin Galactic video, if you want to vote on the poll and you want your voice out and you want to see what's going on with Virgin Galactic, here is the poll. Vote on it. Vote on it. Don't sit there being lazy like most investors are. Only 14 out of 69 of you are lazy. Look, see? There is the Twitter poll. Let me give it to everybody over on Rumble as well. We're getting a record audience there today as well. We've got a record audience on Facebook as well today. Let me give it to everybody there as well. There's the poll. Make sure that you vote on this stuff. Don't just let it sit there. You've got a chance to talk about the stock. Everyone's optimistic, even though it's being dumped by insiders, exactly like I said it would. Also, thank you for your effort every day, Stefan Rude. It's my absolute pleasure. Stefan, thank you very much for your euro, your 10 euro. I invite you to become an active member of our channel. You can provide links, information, and so on and so forth. I'd love to invite you to become a member. You get 20 times back what you put in. We have cash giveaways. We have the giveaways are free. They're not just for members. They're for everybody. There is the invitation to join, should you wish to join. Here's access to Discord, which is free, but you get a much better experience when you are a member. There it is. Let me give you the link right there. Also, the worst thing about black swan events like the debt ceiling, black cloud, is times like these have a lot of market manipulation coming from big dogs while the retail and blind sheep ready for slaughter. Indeed it is. And that's exactly what we're trying to save people from. That's what I keep trying to tell everybody. We've got a black swan event with the debt ceiling right now. It's driving everything down. It's providing opportunity for you everywhere if you know what to look for. I'm out of rum, so I have some extra funds for space if it goes lower. Excellent stuff. Take profits while you can now. Amass your cash. Amass your cash. The S&P is going down. I'm taking money out of it. I've got plenty of money there. But we're not going to go over the top with Virgin Galactic because all of a sudden it could go to 2. Live on the show, you could see it go to 2, and then y'all say, oh my God, people get wiped out. But especially if they've got margin or they're shorting it. And then we get a short squeeze. And then that's when all the people that have borrowed my stocks get short squeezed, and I end up winning that way. Procter & Gamble going down 1.94. That is now a definite buy for me. Definite buy. Mullen all the way down to 1 or 2 cents a share now. Gold, it's a source of funds for me right now. It's up because of fear. Well, it's flat right now, but it was up earlier. Rivian, Tesla. Right, when we get to 190, we're trimming off 2. Let's see if we can do it. We will in a minute. I'm sure of it. Sure as eggs is eggs. Apple is surging right now. Let's have a little look. Today it's up. It's got a little bit way to go. I could trim there for some source of funds. I'm not going to, though. Neither Amazon. I'm not going to sell them either. These are too valuable for me right now. They're too valuable, and they're going a lot higher. We've seen a bit of a discount this morning from McDonald's. It's still going lower. It's not bad. 294 is my average. 285. Oh, sorry. I'm not buying it on my Roth. I beg your pardon. 276. There we go. Beg your pardon. I'm only buying that long term. I'm not trading that. I'm just buying it to own it. That's not a trading stock. It's one you buy and never touch again. It's like buying a house and then you never sell it. Just keeps going up in value and you borrow against it. Coca-Cola going down 0.67. Okay. Virgin Galactic now down 472. 472. Please do click subscribe or ring the bell. We've got 48 watching with just 33 likes. Let me share this. This is the only channel on YouTube who's going to give you all the information from Virgin Galactic tomorrow. Virgin Galactic aren't going to give you all the information. They're going to give you the manipulation. They're going to give you the things that they want to tell you before they dump it, before they dilute it, before the insiders drop it to $2, is what I've been saying over and over again. Look at this, guys. The night before a flight, we've got the stock going all the way back down. This is scandalous, but it's obvious. It's the game they're playing. But on this channel, we're not. We're going to win with it. 34 likes. Come on, guys, smash the like. There are 49 of you watching. The most honest channel on YouTube. I'm live all the time. I do what I say what I do. I'm here to help people. I'm here to promote the stocks that I invest in, not to pump and dump. I hold my stocks. I tell you what I'm doing with them. I have my long-term position on Virgin Galactic. There it is. I'm not touching it. I told you I wouldn't until 30. There is my Roth IRA. I'm buying it today on the way down. All right. Thank you very much for smashing the like button, guys. Down 3.5%. We're going to buy some more in a minute. And it could go to $2. And that's not a number I'm just guessing, by the way. That's what I believe. That's what I believe. All right? That's all I can say on that. Trying to help you, trying to give you the information. Right. S&P, Virgin Galactic. Now, just remember, right now, okay, high-risk stocks, especially manipulated stocks. Mullen, Virgin Galactic, it's trading as a meme stock now, right? It's being shorted. We will get a short squeeze, but we won't get that until it goes under 4. Okay? And it could very, very quickly. Insiders just before the flight want to dump it, drive it down to $2. And then on the flight, it will sort and they'll dump it again for liquidation. Sorry, not liquidation, dilution. That's how they'll do it. All right? Well, you don't want to be in that club. Wolf of Dubai is trying to get everyone to buy all of it because it benefits his channel because he's promising dreams and hopes that you can make money for doing nothing. People love all that stuff. You go and watch his channel, okay? If you actually want to make some money, then that's what we're doing. Just bought 5 shares of it, bud. Good luck to you, Shan. Very nice indeed. Is Virgin dropping because of the news on Virgin Orbit? Yes, it is. And someone said to me this morning, that's ridiculous. They are different companies. And I said, yes, I know they're different companies. However, they share the same investors. They share the same marketing people. They share the manipulation of Richard Branson and the way it works. So yes, why do you think on the night before the flight, what happened? They announced that Virgin Orbit was being sold off for scrap. However, the headlines was Virgin Orbit is bought by Rocket Labs. What it should have said, it was Rocket Labs bought Richard Branson. Richard Branson was guaranteed 14% on his preferred shares. He didn't lose anything. You did. And now it's happening again. And why was it released the night before the flight? Because of manipulation to drive the stock price down. So you would then you would sell out because you think it's going down, and it will go down. You're right. So you lose money. Everyone starts selling it. Shorters all pile in. It will go up, but you don't want it here. You want it at 3. You want it at 2, because that is where the big money comes in. Follow the money. Always follow the money. Look at the balance sheet. Look at what the big people are doing, and they are dumping it right on top of you. I think it's absolutely disgusting, but that's the game you want to play. That's how it works. This is the stock market. It's nothing nice about it. Nothing real. This channel was built to be honest and bring you the truth. That's why we're here. Okay, Tesla 2.5 going down. We want to get a trade out of that today, and we will. I'm not concerned about Tesla at all. Tesla makes money. Space is now down 5.44, 466. I don't know how low it's going to go. It could go to 2. I'm scared to sell now, and then it turns around. The strategy for Virgin Galactic right now is, you already listened to me for the last year, 6 months. You've already made money on the day trades. You've already got your main portfolio down at $4. You've got money to buy the dip if it goes lower. All of that is already in place. Do not react. Do not react. Be proactive. Remember, I talked about the pieces of chess. You've already got your 5 moves laid out. You know what you're going to do when it goes to 4. You know what you're going to do when it goes to 3. And you know what you're going to do when it goes to 2. Okay? How do you time it? You don't time it. You don't time it because you can't time it. You're not smart enough. I'm not smart enough. I don't know what the insiders are about to do. I've got a bloody good idea, but I don't know when. I don't know when, and that's the game. So what I've got to do is, they're trying to be clever and manipulate the news with not giving the news on Virgin Galactic flight tomorrow. Giving the news, however, of Virgin Orbit being sold off for scrap metal the night before it flies. The chitter-chatter behind the scenes, which I get on Virgin Galactic when I speak to them. When I don't get a reply from certain people at Virgin Galactic, that tells me something. When I don't get a reply. And I keep telling you, and I keep telling you, and I keep telling you, it's going down. And it has. It's now done what I said it would do, right? However, I don't know when. And what I said would happen just before the flights is it could go to $2. That's what I said, because that is what I'm hearing. That's what I am seeing looking at the numbers. And the more I get other YouTubers providing not information, which is just, you can get rich, you should be buying all of it. That's just rubbish. Don't listen to that. That's rubbish, because that is just trying to promote their YouTube channel so they can make some money. I'm not interested in that. What I'm interested is what's not being said and what the insiders of the company are doing, what the sentiment is. And the sentiment is they're going to dump it. They're going to drive it to 3 and 2. It's going to be dumped by everyone. A short squeeze is going to happen. They're going to buy it back, and it's going to pop. I mean, they're already selling it. They're already selling it. If they wasn't, it wouldn't be going down, right? I've not sold anything this morning. I'm not selling anything. I'm buying it. I always buy when everyone's selling and selling when everyone's buying, because I do not want to be selling this now. I sold it yesterday at the top. I sold it 3 times near the top. Not exactly, but the answer to your question is you cannot time it. You cannot time it. Nobody can. Because you don't know what they're going to do, when they're going to do it, and you also don't have the technology that they do and the information that they do. The insiders should be trying to pump this if they want to dilute the stock. They will pump it, Craig. You're 3 steps behind. They dump it, then they announce the flight, then they pump it, then they dump it for dilution. There's 3 steps to go. You're 3 steps behind. You're thinking, well, hang on a minute. Why aren't they pumping it? They haven't dumped it yet. They're doing it now. We've already had the first pump. The first pump came on the announcement of the flight. Announcement of the flight, up went the stock with no information. And everyone is being fooled into believing there's going to be a flight tomorrow. There is no flight confirmed for tomorrow. All that happens tomorrow is the window opens. What does that mean? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. We have had everyday clowns coming onto our channel. Justin Bieber's flying next week. Elon Musk is flying next week. All rubbish, all lies. How do I know it's lies? Because first of all, if it was true, I would know about it because I speak to people at Virgin Galactic. 2, the institutions would know about it and the stock would have gone up. It's not true. People are desperate to try to spread rumor. None of it is true. Virgin Galactic gave you just enough information to promote the stock to get you to buy it so they could dump it. That was part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is now happening. This is going to continue now for maybe most of the day. Down to 3 or 2, possibly. I don't know, right? But, I mean, it's not a bad drop, right? And then just before we announce the information, they'll buy it. Everybody will pile in again. Up it will go again with a short squeeze this time. With a short squeeze this time because people are shorting this stock. But once it gets down below 4, the short squeeze will start to kick in. And then it will rocket up and they'll be in. And they'll be in. And then they'll dump it at 7. And they'll liquidate it. They will dilute it back down to 3.5, 4. So that's what's going to happen. I know people at Virgin Galactic are listening and watching my channel right now. And I know you're watching. How do I know? I know you're watching because people are telling me right now. People are telling me right now that people who need to watch are watching right now. No one is what they seem at Virgin Galactic right now. My whole video, my whole channel is to be, and I trade off and I sell off being the most honest, transparent person on YouTube. Without that, I have nothing. Without that, I have nothing. If I just make up stuff like they are, I have no value. This is what I am doing. And I'm trying to help people because I have done everything in life I wanted to do. I've toured 195 countries as the world piano man. And yes, I know it's the whole world. I've been everywhere. I've done it for 34, 35 years. Since I was 16 to where I am now, I think I'm 54. I've done it all my life. What I want to do now, my final legacy, my final thing between now and the day I die, is build the best, most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. So I don't care about billionaires. I don't care about manipulation and lies. I just care about my audience. I don't even care if I lose money. I don't care. I won't lose money. I'm consistently making money. But I care about being known for the guy who has the most honest, real YouTube channel on YouTube. Because then I'll have millions of followers. And I will go to bed at night thinking, I'm like Robinhood. I'm like the guy who helps people. And I'll feel good about that. And I've raised over $1 million for charities live on my show. I showed you all the checks yesterday on that video. You saw it. I showed you all the checks that I've raised. And none of that money went to me. It all went to the charities. I'm not here for myself. I'm here for you. And most people don't believe that. They go, oh, yeah, that can't be true. Well, it is bloody true. Bought McDonald's this morning, and we made money on it. Look, it's going up. Look at that. Because it doesn't matter if it's overvalued. It's oversold because it's land. Land keeps going up in price. It's the best commodity you'll ever own. I don't care how expensive it is. When McDonald's gives you a discount, you buy it, and it's given me a discount, and I bought it. And I'm not selling it. I didn't buy it on my Roth to trade it. I bought it just to own it, for the dividends and the constant growth, the constant reliable growth. Anyway, back to Virgin Galactic manipulation. We're now down at 464. Are you ready to buy another couple of hundred shares? Are you ready? Should we do it again? Right. Let's have a little look. The portfolio is starting to come up now. Virgin Galactic is still going down. Remember, Virgin Galactic and Mullen is always an exaggeration, like a magnifying glass on the markets. If the markets are going down, then everything, the Mullen and Arrival and Virgin Galactic and all the others are exaggerated. They'll do 10 times as much as what the rest of the market is doing, right? Okay, my average is 501. DeWald, good luck, mate. Right, I'm going to open up now. This is starting for tomorrow. We're going to be live all day tomorrow. We're giving everyone the chance to phone in. It's members only. The broadcast lounge is open. You can call into the show. You can discuss your Virgin Galactic. All I want to talk about is Virgin Galactic. If you want to call in, there is the broadcast lounge. It's free and open. Let me give you the Discord link. If you want to call in, share your position on Virgin Galactic, there is the Discord. You have to be a member. We don't want idiots. We don't want scammers. We don't want manipulators. We don't want insiders from Virgin Galactic giving me a lot of rubbish. We only want the facts from people who are experiencing the situation firsthand. There is the broadcast lounge. There is an invitation to join. It's now open if you want to call in. All right? Okay. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is still going down. 464. Procter & Gamble, Mullen, Gold, Rivian, Tesla, 179 now, 180. Roth, 180, 179. Don't want to sell it there. I'm holding that. Coca-Cola. I got, let me have a look at that a minute. That's trending down. And it's going to keep going down. It's going to go down for another couple of weeks. I'm going to use that as a source of funds. Right, the broadcast lounge is open if anybody wants to call in. I'm just checking if anybody's in there. Now, I've got 53 of you watching on YouTube now. Please do smash the like button to share this information. Most people, as we've said before, are lazy. They want to promote Virgin Galactic. They want to, get the news out, but they can't be bothered to smash the like button. Smash the like button. It's all you got to do. There it is, right there. There's 20 more people that could like this video, and I proved this morning how lazy people can be. Here is the poll where you can actually tell the world that Virgin Galactic in a poll is going up. 70 votes now, 77%, 70 votes. Only 14 people have bothered to promote that. All you got to do is, there is the link. Look, there's the Twitter poll. All you got to do is share it. I'm going to share it on Rumble. People are more active on Rumble. There you go, guys. I've given you the link to the poll. I'm going to go over to Facebook as well. I'm going to give you guys the chance to promote this as well. There you guys in the poll. In the chat, there is the link on Facebook. We've got a poll running which tells you that 77% of people believe that the stock is going up, even though only 14 people have bothered to share and like it. I can't believe it, but that tells you everything. That's the people sat on their toilets, on their phones, messing around, not knowing what to do, when actually they have an opportunity to share this story. Because if you want to go against all the manipulation, if you want to go against all the shorters, if you want to go against the insiders, now is your chance to do it. But if you're missing the opportunity, don't say I didn't give you the chance. So what do you think could happen with the stock price after the flight in June 23? The same pump and dump? Yes. Even the ugly truth? Yes. 458 going lower. Come on, $2 is extreme, Martin. It's not extreme at all. It's not extreme at all. You want to see extreme? You want to see extreme on Virgin Galactic? There's extreme. Pump, dump, pump, dump. How many bloody more times have I got to say it? How many more times? Just make friends at Virgin Galactic. It will take you a year. Spend a year getting to know some people, engineers at Virgin Galactic. Build up a relationship. Start to see what they're saying on the ground about Virgin Galactic. See what the staff say. See what the investors say. And you will realize what this is. It's an opportunity to make money in the early days. In the future, we look at Virgin Galactic different. Then the institutions come in and then they buy it. And then we've got a Virgin Airlines, a regular flying profitable company. Right now, we have got a meme pump and dump. We want to see, seriously? These were on flights, dilution. This was flight, after flight, dilution. Boom, 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 boom. Flight, hardly moving. The night before it comes out, just by coincidence, Virgin Orbit gets announced that it's being sold for scrap metal. I don't know what else to tell people. All right, I'm stuffed. I would have sold yesterday. I told you to sell. I sold yesterday and I told everyone to sell. Live on my show, I keep saying it. And I keep saying, retweet the post if you want it to go up. But no one's doing it. 14 of you out of 70 people can be bothered. Richard Branson, the people inside are laughing at you. They're laughing. They're thinking, Martyn Lucas knows what's good. He knows. He talks to people who work there. He knows. And not enough people are listening because they're thinking, no, I'm not going to sell it now because it's going to keep going up. And the people with the money are going, we can dump this in 1 second. Your few people who watch your YouTube show have got no influence whatsoever. And they're right. We could have. But you're choosing not to. So they're sitting there watching, thinking, they're sitting there watching and thinking, none of the investors can change the rate, can change the movement of this stock, but we can, and we will. You should sell Apple. Market cap close to 3 trillion makes no sense. That's why it makes sense, because it makes no sense. Bad day in the markets. Bad day. When do you think Virgin Galactic will be back up? This afternoon, this evening. It's going down and it's going to level off probably at $3.75 or $4. This is my personal unchallenged opinion. I know a few of them, not who. I know a few. I know a few. Not of. I know a few. I know a few of them, not Hugh. Keaton S. I don't get that. Anyway, down she goes. Procter & Gamble, Mullen, Gold, Rivian, Tesla. How do you say it by the rumors shelter news? Sorry, I don't get that comment. Please rephrase that. The smart investors aren't touching space. I'm following the smart money, my opinion. I'm not investing in space. I've got my long-term position at $4. This isn't investing. This isn't investing right now. This is a day trade, a scalp trade. That is all this is. Let's be absolutely clear about what we're doing here. I'm under no illusion. This is not investing right now. This is scalp trading. And I cannot believe I'm still watching that tweet on 14. Incredible scenes. Incredible that people aren't doing it. And they'll all moan tomorrow when the stock did go up. We're getting a record audience again today on Rumble. Thank you so much, guys. Everyone's acting over there. Lovely stuff. Good to see it. I know a few of them. Oh, I see. You know a few of them, do you? What do you know, Keaton S? What do you know? Invest in Mullen. Invest in Mullen. It's going to 1 cent a share. And what they're going to do? Reverse split it again. You'll end up owning the company for three quid. No, the CEO is out of his depth. Doesn't know what he's doing. I've got evidence to show that. I'm building it up to make a video. But yeah, ridiculous. Hasn't got a clue what he's doing. 178. How do you say it by the rumor? How do you say it? Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's right. But this isn't the news yet. The news isn't that they're flying tomorrow. The news is the window opens tomorrow. Everyone's getting manipulated again. There's no flight tomorrow guaranteed. There's no information on Virgin Galactic. All there was Virgin Orbit's being sold for scrap. And it didn't actually say, though, that Richard Branson made his money. That would be too much. It'd be too much to actually say that. That would be too much. People couldn't take that. How do you say it? Bubbles looking worse than stocks. Let's have a look. Crypto bubbles. Everything's going down. We've said it over and over again that Bitcoin is going down to 15,000. Everything is being sold off. Why? Why? Does anyone know the answer why? I know exactly why. Do you know why? Does anyone know the answer why everything's going down now? You should know. Mullen. I'm trying to get some information on the short interest right now. How many people are shorting it? What's the state of that? Tesla, 178. Apple. Told you McDonald's would go up today, didn't I? Doesn't matter how it doesn't matter. You can't overbuy it. It could be a fake out, Malk. Don't. My path is just like the stream. Thank you very much indeed. Is that my path from Virgin Galactic? Is that my path from Virgin Galactic? Just message me. Virgin Galactic. Down 7. It could be a fake out to get you to buy and then dump again. Be very careful. Have your overall position all timed. See, my main position, I'm up. I'm still up 12% at 405. Procter & Gamble. Mullen. It's going to nothing. Gold. Sold 1 share of gold. And 456, 487. Buy shares. 50. I'm going to buy 50 at this price. The momentum's slowing down. Done. Okay. 481, there we go. Where's Matt 4 when you need him? What? You want to hear that Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck are flying today, do you? Mount UK. Does that make you feel better? Anyway. Rack Nancy. Rack Nancy. Hello there. How are you? How are you? Saw you on Facebook a minute ago. Thank you very much for liking the stream. Appreciate it. The home is YouTube and Rumble. Make sure you're here. These are the most important places. Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, websites. We use all those places to promote our main audience here. That's what we're doing. Tripping again. Remember I said a small fake out. Okay. Let's have a look at the chart a minute. Oversold. It's in the oversold territory now. Look at that. Everyone's dumping it. Buy it when everyone's dumping it. This is the moment. This is the moment. Another hour or so. Very, very exciting. Very, very exciting now. Promote on StockQuits. You didn't follow me on StockQuits yesterday. I gave you the link. I looked out for you. I didn't see you. StockQuits. There's too much FUD. I get reported all the time for posting. There's very angry people on StockQuits. To be honest, I haven't got time for. I haven't got the energy to waste my time. I keep getting people report me on StockQuits, and because my posts are always real, never spam. I never message anyone. I never tag anybody over there. I just do my own thing. And because they don't like the news, they report me all. Because remember, anyone could report anyone. And they're always angry people, and I haven't got time for them. I haven't got the energy, the time to waste. I am on StockQuits. I do post from time to time, but I don't do as much as I do anywhere else because everyone. I get so many people. Same with Reddit. I had to come off Reddit. Reddit is a cesspool of make-believes and dreamers and scammers. And I post the information on there. And because they don't want the information that I present to get out, they constantly report me. Constantly. In their thousands. And of course, if you get thousands of reports from Reddit, they shut you down. I've been shut down on Reddit like 5 times. I've given up on it. They can have it. They can swim around in their cesspool. I am not wasting my time with it. And yeah, I get reported all the time. And all I ever do, I never message anyone, tag anyone, spam anyone. I put, this is my view, this is my video today. And because the news is not what they want on Reddit, because remember, Reddit is all about pumping the stock and making up stories, they constantly report my content. It's how Redditors work. They constantly report the news they don't want, and it constantly gets reported. If you get if you trend like I did on Reddit all the time, people constantly report you, you get shut down. The only people who survive on Reddit are the scammers. It's awful. It's an awful, awful cesspit. I can't be doing with it. I've given up on that one. StockWits, I'm still in the game, just don't do as much. But Reddit, I don't know how many accounts I've set up, and now they're running around these little band of merry men trying to con each other, and that's I ain't got time for them. Space, wait, 450 to buy. Says Rack, promote on StockWits. Lots of YouTubers promote on StockWits. Yeah, I know. I do it all the time. And I get reported all the time. Remember, most YouTubers put the news that most people want to hear. You can get rich today. BitBoy, Cryptos Are Us, Wolf of Dubai. List goes on and on and on. So everyone loves that. They love when some guy comes on YouTube and promotes their stock in a way that they think is good. It's not good, because you end up getting crapped on, because you end up everybody else dumping on you. Whereas I tell the truth, and those people don't want that, so they report you. Well, good for them. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, Sid. Like a theme park. It's like a theme park. It is. Millennium Agents, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You're missing all the fun and games this morning. You need to rewind the video. A lot has gone on this morning, and you've missed it. Let me check now on YouTube. We've got 44 likes now. Okay, people are starting to wake up and share the news out about Virgin Galactic. There is a way to make money, but you have to know how to do it. Virgin Galactic, P&G, Mullen, Tesla, 179. Why space? I can't go over it all again, Mohammed. You guys have just missed half an hour of very passionate, aggressive information. I'll cover it again in a bit. We're just double checking some information at the minute. McDonald's, Coca-Cola. If you didn't see information last night, we are covering NVIDIA earnings tonight after hours. And then tomorrow, it's a Virgin Galactic special. We're going to honor the members. There's going to be members benefits tomorrow. We want to because we're going to be so busy tomorrow with thousands and thousands of views and thousands of comments tomorrow. We're going to provide lots of member-only content tomorrow because I want to answer everyone's questions, not just have all the insiders from Virgin Galactic, the scammers, the Redditors, trying to come on and manipulate the stock. We don't want that. So make sure you become a member today. Even if you're going to become a member for 1 month, make sure you become a member. It's only a couple of bucks. And if you want all the information tomorrow, you can. There it is. Make sure you become a member. It's only a couple of bucks for tomorrow's event. Sold my IonQ except 1 share. Very nice indeed, Sid. Whatever happened to Sick? I don't know. I hope he's all right. 90% delay on Virgin Galactic. 90% delay on Virgin Galactic. Of course, it's what they do. Why do you think they announced the scrap metal last night for Virgin Orbit? I put the video out. I tried to tell everybody about it. Look, here. Last night, I put this video out. I hope you saw it. If you haven't seen it yet, look. Scrap metal, Virgin Orbit, scrap metal. It's had 589. In fact, it's had nearly 800 views now. In 15 hours, it's my best ever video. It's 13 minutes long. People are really buying into this one. It's great. Very, very important. Go and check it out. Virgin Galactic scrap metal. Mullen, all the scammers and the liars as well that manipulate the stock. See that there, look? That shows you all the money I've given to charity. And people were going, this channel is all about you. No, it's not. It's about other people. There it is. There's the evidence of it. Anyway, go and check out those videos. They're on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Right, back to the stock. It's still going down. $4.50. Could go to $2 today. Let's have a quick look where we are. Okay. Now then, just to give you what we're going to do now, because I've got to get off. I've got to speak to some people at Virgin Galactic. I've got some videos to make, some interviews, some recordings. I've got to get more information. So what we're going to do, now, because we've got a lot of stuff to bring into the show tomorrow, what we're going to do for the next few minutes as we're preparing for tomorrow's event, it's going to be a lot of information on the screen. So I'm going to switch over to members only right now. Only members only on YouTube, because we're getting ready for tomorrow and we're testing out a few things. So if you want to become a member, you can be just a bronze member for, just for tomorrow's event. It's only a couple of bucks. And I need to, because there's going to be so many people phoning in tomorrow and calling in and messaging. We need to focus on those that really care about the stock and the channel. So we're just going to who bought Branson scrap, Steptoe and Son. Oh, Harold. Yep. Yes. It was bought by Virgin. It was bought by Rocket Labs. Absolutely right. That I got to do that, and I got to make a video on that. Right, let me go over to members right now. I'm going to switch over to members because we got a few things to do before we wrap up. Okay, we have to focus on our members right now. So if you want to become a member, the link's in the chat. Okay, here we go. Virgin Galactic, Procter & Gamble. There we go. Oversold, coming straight back up. That's funny, isn't it? I got to do that. I got to do it. You just made me realize. How funny that would be. It's not a clickbait video. No one's going to watch it. I don't care, but it's funny for me. It is 151. I got to do it just because it makes me happy, right? If I'm happy, I don't care. 151. Steptoe. All right. Brilliant. Right. Got to do it, haven't we? Got to do it. Be interesting to see how this goes. Okay, let's just do it now. All right. Recognize that theme tune? Steptoe and Son. What happened on the night before Virgin Galactic decide to fly? Potentially. Remember, it's only a window. What happened? Can you work it out? Oi, Harold, did you sell all my shares? Yes, I sold all the scrap metal of Virgin Orbit. I sold it. Did Richard Branson lose all his money? No, he didn't. He came in at the last minute and bought preferred shares. Does that mean, Harold, that Richard Branson got out and got all his money back? Yep. Well, hang on a minute. Why is Virgin Galactic going down? Martyn Lucas said it would go all the way down to $2 and $3. Why is it going down? Well, just before the flight, Harold, they decided to sell to Virgin, to Rocket Labs, but they announced it just before the flights of Virgin Galactic. So Steptoe and Son came in, swooped up, Rocket Labs bought all the assets, and they're still doing it on the cheap, of Virgin Orbit. Who lost out? We did. We lost all our money. Did Richard Branson lose any money? Nope. He got it all out. Does it mean the stocks of Virgin Galactic are going down? They're not related, are they? They've got nothing to do with each other. Yes, they have. They share the same marketing. They share the same investors, funders. And it's funny that, because the insiders, I kind of heard the rumor that it was all going to be dumped, and guess what? It did. And guess what? The night before the flight, we get the information. I told everybody about it. So sing along with me as Virgin Orbit stuffs Virgin Galactic, stuffs all the investors. But don't worry, Richard Branson has still got his island. Yank, dink, dang, dang, yank, dink, dang, 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 dink, dink, yank, dink, dink. Do you making money on Virgin Orbit? Are you making money on Virgin Galactic? Join me tomorrow. It's going to be a big day where you will make some money and you will get the truth. No scrap metal here. Unbelievable. Got to put that out later. Right, I've got to get off. I really have to make lots of video. It's a British thing. Yeah, nobody will know what I'm doing. Nobody will know what I'm doing. Procter and Gamble. See how it's manipulated this morning by analysts? I bought it this morning, and we're making some. Well, we're out of the money by $9, but we won't be much longer. I bought the dip there this morning. Mullen, gold. We used our sources of funds there: Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. Hello. What did I say? We're Schaffendaz. We're Schaffendaz. What does that mean? Is that German? Let me Google translate it. It says, we make it. We make it. Peter, hello, Malk. LOL, Malk. Right, up she goes. Nobody knows. Okay. I've got to get off, folks. If you want me to carry on for an extra half an hour till 10, I need some super chats. Otherwise, I've got to go because I've got some videos to make. If you want me to carry on, I will, but it's by super chat request from members only. Ich kann nicht sprechen Deutsch sehr gut, meine Name und Dame. All right, let's have a look. Checking the feeds. What's being said with Richard Branson this morning. Oh, if you want our giveaway, if you entered the giveaway yet, here's the giveaway, martynlucas.com/giveaway. We're giving away money. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. There it is, free for all. Virgin Galactic's another fake out. Careful. There it is. Got it? Has everyone done it? You've got daily tickets given away. 5568. 5568. Let's have a little look. 5569. Someone, I bet that's Eric, claimed his daily bonus today. Every day we give you a free ticket just by coming back to the channel, to the page. Gives you more chances of winning. Make sure you take advantage of all of that. Virgin Galactic, is it a fake out or is it real this time? Ooh, what do you think? Want to get caught out again? Rivian, Tesla. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, one, two. Crikey, Ali, you're bullish on XRP. I might take a loan to buy more XRP. Careful, Ali. There goes Bitcoin. We said it. Right. I've got to go then. We're not going to do day trader of the day. We're going to get off because we have to get some information for tomorrow. We've got a lot of work to do. I'm going to close the broadcast lounge. Ali, are you available for a quick phone call? I want to call Ali straight after this, just for 1 minute, please, if you're available. So Ali, just confirm whether you are available or not. I only want a minute of your time. Okay. You are good, brilliant. All right, we're going to get off. Virgin Galactic is popping up, but I don't know if it's a real safe time. I think I've been nudging every 5-10%. I wouldn't get all excited. Some of you are buying it, I know, obviously. That's why it's going up. Remember, the flight might not even happen tomorrow. Tesla. Bitcoin dragging my Litecoin down. All right, okay. I'm going to have to go. Everybody on TikTok, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you ever so much, everybody on Rumble today. Record audience today. Thank you very much indeed. We had 26 today at one point, the highest point. That was really good. That was a record. So let me just have a quick look. Did we make the homepage today? Matt Cause is being featured at the moment, but he does have 46,000 followers, which is fair enough. I'm not on the featured live just yet, but I am in the finance section number 2 right now. Okay, brilliant. We like that. Okay, time to get off. I'll see you all back in a bit. We're going to be here all day tomorrow with the Virgin Galactic special. We do have a special event tonight. NVIDIA earnings. T.O. Roll asked me to cover it. He's one of our members, and he said, would you cover the NVIDIA earnings? And I was like, I don't know if I'm going to have time, but he's a member, so I try to, as you know, support our members. There is the NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. Okay, we've already got 5 likes on it. Tonight. Just after hours. Right, I've got so much to do. Good luck, everybody. If you're buying Virgin Galactic now, just make sure that you keep your powder dry so you could double if it goes to 3 or even 2. But I'll see you back in a bit. Okay? With as much information that I can get out of Virgin Galactic as possible. All right? I think that's it. That's me. Have we got any super chats to honor? I think we have. Let's bring that in. Let's bring in our credit roll here. Roll the credits. Start of our show this morning were moderators. Restream bot, I have no idea what that's there. Super chat, Stephen Lewandowski, Stefan Rude, thank you very much indeed. Subscriptions, Rack, Nancy. There are more. These are the public ones. If you're not a public subscriber, if you don't share to the world what you subscribe to, maybe you subscribe to naughty channels, I don't know, and you don't want anyone to know, that's why it doesn't always show. And I will tell you now that Virgin Galactic's going straight back down again. That was a fake out. A few people bought it in, enough people to manipulate the stock. It went up and got dumped again. Remember, I said it could easily go to 3 or even 2 today. That's what I would do. Is if I worked at the company and I knew what I know and what you all know about the balance sheet, that's exactly what I would do. Remember, they bought it for 50 cents a share or less. I don't know what the founders paid for it. Probably somewhere like that. So why not take a 400%, 500%, 600%, 700% profit, sell it now, drive it to 2, buy it back, announce the flights, it goes up, they get a delay, they dilute it, they take some profit to reinvest. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. Anyway, I can't do that. I can't manipulate it because I don't have enough money and can't buy millions of shares and so on and so forth. But they can, and they are, and they will, and they're doing it over and over again. Ramin! Thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it. I've no idea why I did that. I did that because normally Super Chat will have a comment. It's a subscription, and I forgot. So anyway, that's it. I'll see you back in a bit. Thank you ever so much. Have a wonderful day. Stefan Rude, you're a good man. See ya. Do my best, mate. I do my best. Become a member. Oh, you are a member. Stefan Rude, become a member. I'm a member. I mean, that's why I'm chatting to you. Members only chat, right? All right. See you back in a bit. Have a wonderful afternoon. Going to get really, really busy. You think I'm busy doing 10 hours a day? It's about to ramp up. If I can't do it tomorrow, can do it anytime. Have a wonderful afternoon. Have a cup of tea. Have a little break in between. But brace up. Buckle up. We've got 24 hours of this. It's about to get serious on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Take care of yourselves, your money, yourselves and each other and your crypto and everything in between. Bye-bye for now. Be careful.